Steven, in this particular case, we have the reservoir. We have different servo valves with a solenoid, 1 servo valve, 2 servo valves, 3, 4, 5, 6. I suppose that each servo valve administrates one system, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
It's an in and an out or an up and a down.
Okay, perfect. And depend which solenoid is activated, the system goes up and down or left, right.
When you ask for a command, it sends electricity to the solenoid.
Correct.
It opens the valve and it sends the fluid one direction or the
Yeah,
other.
for example, suppose that this one is for the anchor. When I activate down, this solenoid activate the position. When I activate the up, is this solenoid activated on the switch on the console?
Correct, 100%. And
Correct.
then your flow valve is right underneath.
Correct, exactly.
Their flow valves are right underneath. So if you're getting chattering, or if it's moving up too quickly, or if it's moving down too quickly, then it will you can adjust the flow rate right there.
You can adjust the flow in gallons per minute here with this valve.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. And what about this, Steven?
That's our emergency valve. So if we lost our electric motor, we would be able to pump that pump.
I can change the position of the servo valve with my hand.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful.
Absolutely.
In case that, for example, the pasarela is extended and not retract.
Exactly.
You go here and you retract.
Exactly right.
Perfect. It's the engineer, the responsible of the boat, should be able to administrate this system and other system, sanitation system, fresh water, other system, no?
Yep, exactly right. Just like the sanitation system right above.
Yeah,
your head.
correct.
So
I know.
you need to be able, if you're an engineer on a boat, you need to know how to work the sanitation system, the hydraulic system, or even the electrical system.
Or the electrical system. In this particular case, this system can be operated for an electric motor, AC or DC, no?
AC or DC.
AC or DC. If it's AC, you need the generator running all the time.
Exactly.
If it's DC, no problem because it's with batteries, no?
Exactly right, because you're drawing too much power.
Correct, I know. This is the problem. Steven, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.